Hello, my people. Good morning, good afternoon, good day to every one of you. It's your sister, your friend, your girl, Eve.TV. Yes, my sister, wey dey give you now the ogbenge news, the latest, the gist wey una like, the tori talker. I don't come again, my sister, make I come share this little clip with una. Say, this one. So now waiting our beautiful sister, so where they just dey talk im matter dey go everywhere. Regina Daniels don come out with her latest, say make she come do yarn to those people wey dey carry her news, to those people wey think say because say wetin dem dey do say her life don finish, or because say wetin dem dey post say she go dey cry. Now she don come out now twist this one, say she don dey training with her son, say now she don come out with her son. Una go see the post, all this new post wey she just post with her son, so you know, complete as Maya people dey talk am, completo with her son. Now I say okay, make I come still show una the latest of Regina Daniels. Make una see am. No be say I no get work, but I just need to dey update una, make una dey see everything wey dey happen. And her mama don still come out. Her mama na be Rita Daniels. She don still come out also with her new post, because all this while as they carry all the news, they go kpeke, they broke out, they carry out, they go everywhere. The woman don tire. The last post where she post, now the time when she tried to verify, tell people say make them know say he not do anything like that. Say this one at the real video where they carry, they turn that video to another thing. Say he not talk to Chika Ike. Yes, people still carry her. I don't just want carry that one because say the thing, people like say it done too much. Now I say make I rest for the matter. But I should just post this new one where she can't post. So now I say okay, make I come still update my follower. Say Mama Regina don't finally come out again, come post new post. My people, una will see the post as I dey talk. So una will see Mama Regina picture. Una will see her last post where she just post, because all this while she not fit post again because she was so tired. She don't know what she want to talk again. And meanwhile, this baby na be Regina baby where she dey post with. So and this one wey una dey see, so this lady so na be Rita Daniels, Regina's mama, na be this one. So according to what she post recently, my people, make I suffer dey read down for una, make I dey breaketera for una, make I dey tori am for una. Na be this one wey una dey see. So okay, people may destroy your image, stay your personality, but they can't take away your good deed, because no matter how they describe you, you will still be admired by those who really know you better. This one so well una dey see, so na be her latest post where she post, because the thing tire her. Now she say make she come still update una, say even though say that they carry her anyhow, people will love her still love her. Anyway, my people, now God go bless una. Don't forget to subscribe.